Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Friday Freebie Day. Now we're on number 190. Can you believe 190 we've done? So this is just quite a nice little simple one this week. It's like a little sort of flappy one, so you pop it on and it opens up like that, and then we've got this lovely little butterfly on there. So it's nice and simple and it's really nice. I'm going to pop it into my paper bag journal today because I think it will look really nice in there. So this is the Friday freebie. So, and then if I can pick it up, underneath I have done another one for our lovely Ko-fi one-off and monthly members. So you can pop over to Ko-fi and pick that up as well, which is lovely. So it's got little birds and flowers on. So, but this is the Friday freebie one. So I'm going to pop this to the side because I have already cut it out. Oh, these are the spare bits because I printed on the back of this one, and these are the sort of like spare bits that I had left over around at the outside. So super simple, as we like. So they go like this. Well, they don't go like that. They go like this. Oh my gosh, if I can pick it up. They go on there like that, and then you just lift it up, so it's like a little opening card, which is lovely. So I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. So I've already inked around the edges, so I printed on the back and I've inked around the edges. I was watching my when I was editing my last video, I think it was the last one and the one before, well, I was having a little bit of a moan about inking, which is not like me. So I must have had a bit of an off day of inking, because sometimes inking is it just takes so long, doesn't it, around the edges of everything. And I could hear myself having a bit of a moan. So I do apologise, but I do like inking sometimes, but obviously I didn't like it on that day because I had a lot of inking to do. So what I'm going to do, this is like the little flap. So I'm going to pop that, the fluff out of the way. Pop that down the side. I'm just going to take my little ball tool and score that just like that, because it's easier. You don't have to do that, but it does make it a lot easier to bend. It gives you a nice straight line like that. And then I'm going to do it on this one. Just take a ruler, anything you've got, an old ballpoint pen will do, as long as it's got no ink in it. And just run it down like that. Again, if you have a scoreboard, you can use that as well. Let me pop that in there. Then we'll just fold this over like that. So that's really simple. And also I'm going to do, I'm going to just pop it on the back like that, so you don't see it. And then you just open it up, because this one I'm actually going to stick to the journal page. Like that. So let's just take a little bit of glue. So this is a nice simple one today, but again, you can use all the elements separately. You don't have to use them how I'm doing it. I'm sure you will probably come up with some different ways of doing things. So I'm going to just pop that on there, make sure it's sort of lined up. And then we've got like a little flap. I think this one would make a lovely greetings card actually. So, because it will stand up. But it can be like a little floating journal thingy-majiggy in your journals. Oops. But I'm just going to pop this in my journal. Is that right? I think that's about right. I didn't bend that very well, did I? There we go. So look, I've got a big gap in mine, so do score it properly. Now this I have popped on the front like that, so it opens up. Okay, but again, you can pop this inside, you can pop it as a little tuck or a little pocket or something. But what I'm going to do, look, I've got a great big gap. It doesn't have a big gap like that. It's just, but I've just folded it wrong. So all I'm going to do is pop this on here, just glue one side like that, and just pop that down there, and then that just opens up, and I just think that looks really, really lovely. Now, so can you see it can stand up? I hope you can see that, but it can actually sort of like stand up, so you've got enough room in here to write happy birthday, thinking of you, a little bit of happy mail, and then you've got the back to write on as well, so it's a really lovely little piece of ephemera. Now what I'm going to do today is take out my big paper bag journal, and we are going to have a look. That was last week's that we did in there, so I've got all this to fill up. So what I thought, I've got a page here like this. I thought I would pop this on the page, but I'm going to take a piece of my grungy papers, and I'm going to pop that, because I thought that colour, I had this when I was working with papers the other day, making some random ephemera. I just thought that would look really nice on there. But should I cut that off? What have we got on there? Maybe I'll use another page. Let's use this one, because I can then just fold this so it folds back on the other one instead of cutting it off. Let's just bend that there. Let me just, instead of cutting it off, let me just fold that down. Fold it this way, and then this can slot on there, can't it? Like that. Then we've got that on that page, so that can either open up like that. Oh, I think I'll leave it so it opens up, so that's like a double page then. Oh, I like that. And then we'll just stick this down. That's what I'll do. That's what I'm going to do. I think, what shall I do? Shall I just glue stick it? I think this will be the quickest way to do it. A little bit of glue. So yes, a nice simple one today. Go. Make sure we've got lots and lots on there. Put this through. So are you guys got anything planned for the weekend? Are you going to be doing anything exciting, going anywhere? Or you got crafting, or are you free to do some crafting this weekend? Oopsie daisy. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing actually. Probably some housework, because I've been sort of neglecting it lately. You know what it's like, things, you know, pile up, don't they? So I should really take some time and do a little bit of housework, which is a bit boring. I don't like housework. That looks good though, doesn't it? This looks like a sort of like a foresty bit at the back, doesn't it? Shall I decorate the back? I've got some bits that I had the other day that were still on my desk. Actually, this would work. I haven't used, I'll tell you what, I haven't used cheesecloth for a long time, have I? What do you reckon? Oh, I like that. How much should we have? Just a little bit. Oh, that's nice. Where's my scissors? Oh, I've forgotten about cheesecloth. There we go. Don't need all of that, do we? Let's just scrunch it up a little bit. Pop this down. Which way did I have it? Should we have it so it's hanging off the edge a little bit scrunchy? Oh, I like that. Actually, I did get some of my little butterflies. I forgot. I was going to decorate the page, but I quite like the... Oh, we can still have little butterflies around, couldn't we? Oh, I like that. Now, shall we stick it down? Decisions. Because I could use it as well as a little pocket. Could I use it as a pocket? I suppose I could, couldn't I? Oh my gosh. Now I'm overthinking it, because these are, remember I was doing lots of bits and pieces with stuff the other day, and I've got, these have got butterflies on it. What do you think? Oh, but I like the cheesecloth. I do like the cheesecloth. So you could make a little pocket in there, and then that opens up like that. That could go in. That would be nice, but I do like the cheesecloth. Oh, decisions. Decisions, guys. What am I going to do? Please tell me. Shout so I can hear. I don't know what's the matter with me lately. I am... I can't seem to make a decision. It's probably age. That's going to get caught in it. That's going to get caught in it like that. I quite like this in it, but maybe I'll just have a little bit down the side. Or not at all. See, indecisive completely. But then again, no, I'm not going to have that tag. I'm going to put this on it because I like this. And then we don't need a pocket. I think I'm a bit obsessed with pockets as well. And then we can just have some little butterflies. There we go. Decisions made. This looks quite grungy too, doesn't it? What should we stick it down with? A bit of glue stick. Just stick that down. I think I will have to use my 3-in-1 to glue the actual thing down. Let's just pop that there. 3-in-1. Yes, I'm going to just stick the whole thing down. There we go. So lots of options you can have. You can make it into like a little pocket at the back. But I'm going to just stick that like that. Put that on there as a little writing spot, as a little journaling spot. Look at that. Fabulous. Now you could probably pop a little Velcro little fastener on there. Let's wrinkle this up a little bit. Does that matter? That's quite nice hanging off there actually. Or should we stick it in just a little bit? There we go. Oh, love it. There we go. Right decision. And then I'm going to pop some of my little butterflies, which I haven't used for a very, very long time, on here. Why don't we just have 3? Let's have a little pink one. Pink, red and purple. There we go. Decisions made. Poke that on. Go, pop that down, let's pop that on there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So again, you could probably stick that on. Take these little flaps and put them on the side of a page and have a little flap. Do you know what I mean? You don't have to use it all in one little thing. You can use it different ways, but I like that. There we go. These can just, these will go probably go flat because it will be closed, but lovely. I love it. Fabulous page, isn't it? So there we go. That is our lovely Friday freebie. Now I must start putting things in this book, and then we can start filling it up. Oh look, what's that? It's a little booklet. Lovely, guys. So what do you think? Do you like it? I hope so. But then again, I quite like that. Maybe I should stick that on there. This is from, if you saw the video I did the other day, I don't know when it went, or it might have been last night. I had lots of random bits of paper that I made a video, making lots of things So there we go, guys. I will stop talking, stop nattering, and that's it. These are bits that I had cut off from the back, and I'm going to use those to make something. So if you print on the back, don't forget to keep your little scrap bits of paper, because you can use them to make little paper clips and things like that. So there we go, guys. I am definitely going to stop talking now. This is your Friday freebie. So if you're not in the Facebook group, pop over under the video. You've got links under the video to join the group. As well, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love you to press that little bell and subscribe to my channel. That would be really lovely. This one is for Ko-fi, and this is for my lovely supporters on Ko-fi. This is from the monthly and the one-off supporters, so I really do appreciate you guys. It really does help with the Friday freebies. So there we go. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.